In this video, we will discuss a clamp and bend circuit. The clamp and bend circuit extends two cylinders at different speeds and pressures. The first cylinder, the clamping cylinder, extends to hold a part in place. The second cylinder, the bending cylinder, extends more slowly in order to bend the part. Extension speed of the bending cylinder is determined by the load, in this case a flow control valve. Extension speed of the clamping cylinder is determined by a pressure reducing valve. When the directional valve is shifted, the bending cylinder retracts first, followed by the clamping cylinder. In this case, retraction of the cylinders is unrestricted.